ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 215। आत्मेत्येवोपासीत। इन भाष्य फर्स्ट लाइन। एवं कृत्स्नो हि असौ स्वेन वस्तुरूपेण गृह्यमाणो भवति। कृत्स्नो हि असौ, असौ आत्मा स्वेन वस्तुरूपेण गृह्यमाणो भवति। स्वेन means as it is. Earlier I knew it as akritsna, means prana, shrotra, chakshu ityadi. Now swena रूपेण and वस्तु रूपेण में चैतन्य रूपेण गृह्यमाणो भवति। कस्मात् कृष्ण इति आशंक्याः। why it is krishna? because अत्र अस्मिन् आत्मनि हि यस्मान् निरुपाधिके जल सूर्य प्रतिबिंब भेदा इव आदित्ये प्राणादि उपाधिकृता विशेषाः प्राणादि कर्मज नामाभिधेया यथोक्ता हि एते एकम अभिन्नतां भवन्ति प्रतिपद्यन्ते। Why this knowledge of Atma is Krishna? Why it is not like earlier? So it is said, Atra asmin atmani hi yasmat nirupadhike. Up to this you read. Then nirupadhike atmani. And then pranadi upadhikrita visheshaha ekam abhinnatam bhavanti. In that nirupadhika atma, all sopadhik vastu and sopadhik krita atma jnanam, like pranadi, prana, chakshu, shrotra, manah, these are not karana, these are pranadi upadhikrita vishesha. They all become one with atma. Ekam abhinnatam bhavanti. Visheshaha. What are they? Pranadi karmaja nama abhideyaha. The names which are arising, pranadi karmaja, arising from karma. Pranadi karmaja, whatever pranana karma, darshana karma, shravana karma ityadi, karmaja nama abhideya. Yathokta hi ete ekam bhavanti. Ekam means abhinnatam pratipadyante. In this way, they attain oneness. Drishtanta is जल सूर्य प्रतिबिंब भेदा इव आदित्ये. जल सूर्य प्रतिबिंब, जले सूर्यस्य प्रतिबिंब भेदः. इन जल, उसको जले सूर्यस्य प्रतिबिंब भेदाः इव आदित्ये. सो जले सूर्यस्य प्रतिबिंब भेदाः, सूर्यस्य प्रतिबिंब भेदा, that this is one pratibimba, second, third, fourth, but they all become one in Surya. Like that, prana, chakshu, ityadi, whatever identities I get, which we generally say as pranana kriya karta, shravana kriya karta, darshana kriya karta, they all become one in this nirupadhika atma. In other words, nirupadhika atma is one. Sopadhika atmas are ananta, with everybody's upadhis. So I myself have, let's say, 20 upadhis. 19 of Sukshma Sharira, and you take one Sthula Sharira, 20. Each has that many upadhis. Nirvishesha Atma is only one. All Sopadhika Atmakrita Visheshas, they merge there. Tika. तस्य अर्थं स्फोरयति स्वेन इति. वांग मनसा अतीतेन अकार्य कारणेन प्रत्यक भूतेन इति यावत्. Swena means, this is the meaning of Swena. So sometimes the pratika will be there, and then that pratika which is there in the bhashya, that will be explained like this. What is Swena Atmana? Vang Manasa Atitena. Because Atma's inherent nature is Vang Manasa Atita, it is beyond speech and mind. Atitena. Akarya Karanena, it is neither Karya nor Karanam. Karya Karana Vilakshana it is. Pratyak Bhutena, and it is Pratyak Bhuta. Means we are not talking about any other Atma, we are talking about ourselves. Iti yavat. Akanksha Purvakam Uttarvakyam Avatarya Vyakaroti. So that Kasmat, Krishna, this is Akanksha Purvaka Uttarvakya Avataranam. Avatarya, having done that, Vyakaroti. So Uttarvakya means in the mantra, in this way it is given. एतानि कर्मनामानि एव स यो अत एकैकम उपास्ते न स वेद अकृत्स्नो हि एषः. अत एकैकेन भवति आत्मा इति. आत्मेत्येवोपासित अत्र हि एते सर्व एकम भवन्ति. सो दिस एते सर्व एकम भवन्ति is given there. एते एकम भवन्ति. Ekam means abhinnatam. Bhavanti means pratipadyante. So that the next part of the mantra is given here by Bhashyakara and explained with the Surya Pratibimba Drishtanta. Tika. Tasmat yathoktam atmanam eva upasita iti shesha. Therefore, this Atma alone should be thought of, chintaniya. See, yesterday I told you, we saw in the Tippani, Atma iti eva upasita, right? Upa and asita, all words 5 if you split. Atma means what was explained?
Shabdadhiyo ravishayatva also. Yachapnoti yadadati.
Yachapnoti yadadati, that one. That is Atma. Then iti. By iti, हाँ, शब्दादि शब्द धियो अविषय means शब्द आदि and वांगमन both. Shabd is, so that is Atma iti. Eva. Eva Shabda was not given yesterday, I mentioned, so here it is given now in Tippani. 12 number Tippani. Evo Anatma Nivartakaha. Atma iti eva upasita means Atma eva upasita. In other words, Anatma na upasita. So you should do only Atma upasanam. And upasita means pashyet. Iti shesha. So 12 and 13 number Tippani. There is a mantra, later it will come. Shanto Danta Uparata Stitikshu Shraddha Vitto Bhutva or Samahito Bhutva Atmani Eva Atmanam Pashyet or Pashyati. Pashyati is Vidhi. Pashyati is Latlakara. Both kinds of, one is in Kanva Shakha, another is in Madhyandina Shakha. So that Pashyet is what is given here. Upasita is given here as Pashyet. This you will find in 4.4, 23. In Kanva Shakha, it is Pashyati. In Madhyandina, it will be Pashyet. Madhyandina number might be little different. Asyaiva Dyotako Dvitiyo Hi Shabdaha. The Dvitiya Hi Shabdaha Yathokta Hi Ete Ekam Abhinnatam Bhavanti Pratipadyante. So this He is Avadyotaka for Upasita. Atmanam eva Upasita. This alone one should do. Now, so in general, he explained Atmetya Upasita. Now, on that there is Vichara. Tika. Vidya Sutram Vidhi Sparsham Vina Vivakshite Arthe Vyakhyaya Apurva Vidhi Rayam Iti Paksham Pratyaha. Bhashyakar explained Vidya Sutra without touching any Vidhi. Means without mentioning whether it is Apurva Vidhi, Niyama Vidhi or Parisankhya Vidhi. He didn't go into that. Vidhi Sparsham Vina. So in Jnanam, Vidhi means Vidhiling. Vidhiling, Lot, Tavyat, these pratyas when they are there, it will become a Vidhi Vakya. Okay. So when it is said Atma va are Drashtavyaha, there also Tavya Pratyay is there. Or in Chandogya 8th chapter, Sonveshtavyaha, so Vijignyasitavyaha, there also Tavya Pratyayas are there. So in Vedanta, we say it is Darshana Yogya. Drashtavyaha means it is Darshana Yogya. Jignasitavyaha means Jignasa Yogya. Like in Bhruguvalli, Taittiriya. Tad Vijignasa Swa. There is a sutra which gives this permission. Otherwise, somebody will say, this Vidhi, how did you translate it into Yogyata, Arhatva? So, Arhe Kritya Trichascha. This is the sutra. Arhe कृत्यतृचश्च. So in Jnanam, there is no vidhi. Means Atma is darshana yogya. Atma is shravana yogya in this way. So this is called vidhi chhaya. It is not a vidhi vakya, it is vidhi chhaya. So Bhashyakar explained without vidhi. Vivakshite arthe vyakhyaya. Now, Purva Paksha says this is Apurva vidhi. Apurva vidhi rayam iti paksham prati aha. Bhashyakar says in Bhashya. Atmetyopasita iti na apurva vidhi. This is not an apurva vidhi. Second number tippani. This shloka is prasiddha. You can chant this shloka. Vidhiratyantamappraptau
प्राप्त
नियमः पाक्षिके सति
नियमः पाक्षिके सति
तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ
तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ
इति गीयते.
परिसंख्येति गीयते.
This we have already seen in Artha Sangraha. Vidhi means which vidhi? Apurva vidhi. First word that vidhi is apurva vidhi. Vidhi is atyantam apraptau. If something is atyanta aprapta, like दर्श पूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत और ज्योतिष्ठोमेन स्वर्ग कामो यजेत. दिस इज अत्यंतम अप्राप्त, दैट इज अपूर्व विधि. वेन इट इज पक्षतः प्राप्त, पाक्षिके नियम विधि, देन यू हैव टू यूज नियम विधि. लाइक दी दैट तंदुल नख विदलनम और अवहननम, अवघात, दैट वन. एंड तत्र च अन्यत्र च प्राप्तौ परिसंख्येति गीयते. When you have something where things are available, right? Both are, two pakshas are there. Tatra cha anyatra cha praptau. When both are prapta, something is negated. What is the drishtanta? Pancha nakhaha pakshyaha. That is the drishtanta. Parisankhyanam. इति अत्र विधि शब्दो अपूर्व विधि वचनः. इति त्रिविध विधयः पूर्व कांडे अभिहिताः. These three are explained in the पूर्व कांड, means कर्म कांड. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी. पक्षे प्राप्तत्वात् अविक्षेपे स्मृति प्राप्ता, विक्षेपे तु न सा ततः. पाक्षिक्यां स्मृति संप्राप्तौ तत्संतानो नियम्यते. अविक्षेपे स्मृति ही प्राप्ता. When there is avikshepa, then smriti is prapta. Avikshepe smriti hi prapta. When there is no vikshepa, then you can recollect what anything. If the mind is calm, then you are able to recollect things. Avikshepe smriti hi prapta. Vikshepe tu nasa tatah. When there is vikshepa, then you cannot recollect. पाक्षिक्याम स्मृति संप्राप्तौ तत्संतानो नियम्यते. When there is पाक्षिकी स्मृति, पाक्षिक्याम स्मृति संप्राप्तौ तत्संतानः नियम्यते. संतान means karyam. Whatever is the karyam, that will be niyamyate. So there niyama vidhi will come. Another very beautiful shloka. Upasthitam yada dukkham तदा तस्या उपशान्तये आनंदात्मकम अद्वैतम स्मरेत ब्रह्म पुनः पुनः. What should be done? Yada dukkham upasthitam. Anytime do you get dukkha upasthiti or not? Online only the answer is there or here also? Dukkham upasthitam. Tada tasya upashantaye. When that dukkha upashanti, if you want to do, what you should do? Anandatmakam advaitam brahma punah punah smaret. I have to remember I am Ananda Swarupa. Nothing else. This is the only solution. I mean, this is the main solution. Other solutions are there. You do something here, there. Anandatmakam advaitam brahma punah punah smaret. So, this is pakshe prapta. Now, what is given here? Atma. Is it atyanta aprapta or pakshika prapta? This is the question. So Purva Pakshi says it is Apurva Vidhi. When he will say it is Apurva Vidhi? When it is Atyanta Aprapta. Siddhanti says Na Apurva Vidhi. And Hetu is given Pakshe Praptatvad. When it is Pakshe Prapta, then it cannot be Apurva Vidhi. So now we have to explain how it is Pakshe Prapta. How Atma is Prapta also and Aprapta also. So you are already studying for a long time, you already know. Atma is not Atyanta Aprapta because we know we have the Anubhava because Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam. So Atma's Anubhava is always there. But that I am Brahma in this way, I don't know. And that's why it is given there. Anandatmakam, I am Ananda Swarupa. This I don't know. I am Advitiya. This I don't know. I am infinite, Jagat Karanam. This I don't know. I know myself, but I don't know myself as Ananda Swarupa, Advitiya, Jagat Karana Rupa. In this way, I have to remember. Let us see further now in Tika. अत्यंत अप्राप्तार्थो हि अपूर्व विधि ही यथा स्वर्ग कामो अग्निहोत्रम जुहुयात इति नायम तथा पक्षे प्राप्तत्वात् आत्मोपासनस्य तस्य तत्प्राप्तिश्च पुरुष विशेष अपेक्षया विचारावसाने स्पष्टी भविष्यति इत्यर्थः. अत्यंत अप्राप्त अर्थः is for Apurva Vidhi. If it is Atyanta Aprapta Vastu, it will deserve Apurva Vidhi. Atyanta Apraptartho hi Apurva Vidhi yatha Swarga Kamo Agnihotram Juhuyat. The one who is Swarga Kamaha, he will do Agnihotra. Swarga Kamo Agnihotram Juhuyat iti. Na ayam tatha. Then Swalpa Viram. Comma you put. Nayam tatha. Ayam means or Atmetyopasita, this Vakya. Because this Vakya will have Apurva Vidhi, Niyama Vidhi, Ityadi. Nayam tatha. Or you can just say Atma also. But Vakya is where the Vidhi is applied. Why? Pakshe Praptatvat. Because this is Prapta also. Atma Chintanam is already Praptam. Pakshe. Pakshe Praptatvat Atma Atmopasanam is Pakshe. So now this Atma is Prapta one meaning I explained in general. Here he says, Tikakar says, this will be known to Purusha Vishesha. For Purusha Vishesha it is Prapta. How? Means, you see 8 number tippani, Vidvat Jana ityartha. Vidvat Janena. Vidvat Jana means Vidvat Janena Prapta. For a Jnani, he will dwell on this, that I am Brahma Swarupa, I am Advitiya, etc. And for Ajnani, this will never occur. So for Ajnani, that Advitiya Ananda Rupa Brahma is Atyanta Aprapta. And for Jnani, it is Prapta. In this way, it is explained. And how this will become clear, he says, Vichar avasane spashti bhavishyati. Means at the end of this discussion on 147, it will become clear that for Jnani, it is Prapta. Jnani, it is Prapta means person who has done enough Shravanam and has enough Chitta Shuddhi. I am Brahma, I am Ananda Swarupa, this vichar should happen spontaneously, and in particular when he feels Prarabdha is Balavat. See 9 number tippani. Prarabdha karma vashat shud pipasadi doshodbhavat atmano vismaranam anatmanah smaranam cha sambhavitam vidushaha iti vadan bhashyakrit. Bhashyakar is going to say this because of prarabdha. So you see what they are expecting. Atma. Only when because of hunger and thirst arising from prarabdha, because he must be living alone, not in some ashram where bhiksha, bhandara, etc. is scheduled in kshetra, or other options are not available. So then prarabdha karma vashat shut pipasadi dosha udbhavat. Then he will forget Atma for that much time. And anatmanah smaranam cha sambhavitam. And he will start thinking about deha. I am hungry. If I don't get food, what will happen, etc. This is for vidusha. Avidusha to chodo. There is no need of discussing. This is what Bhashyakar will say. Jnanasya pakshe praptim vicharavasane vakshati ityartha. So for such person, pakshe prapti is there. Jnanasya means, see, atmetyo upasita. Upasita means jnana. So atma jnanasya pakshe prapti. For whom the person who has done enough shravanam, mananam, ityadi, spontaneously he will start thinking about, no, I am Brahma. This dukkham, I don't want to accept in me. I am not parichinna. So, once this question had come, how do I know if I am progressing in my sadhana? Because people go on doing shravanam and we want to know whether there is any improvement in me. And if you ask somebody, probably they will give negative answer out of very closeness. Anyone who is too close to a person, they will not be able to see good things easily. But negativities, they will see easily. But on your own, if you want to check this, if such Atma Vismaranam happens or Dukkha etc. comes, how quickly I can come out of it and recognize, no, this is not me. That is all Pramata. I have nothing to do with it. And when you do that, that Dukkham which is there in Pramata, I am the Sakshi of this Dukkham, that Dukkham should go away. If I entertain it for longer, it will remain. So, first thing is you get out of it. This is the sign of progress. So earlier, if I was unhappy, let us say for a long time, 24 hours, something used to bother me. Now it bothers me only for half an hour, and I am. If everything is mithya, why should I worry about this and that and everything? Jagat mithyatva vichara is also very important. That adhikarana where there is dukkham, that itself is mithya, you forget it, you move away. That is required. So here also, this is what I can use. Prarabdha karma vasha. This is what jnani will do. That's why it is prapta for this jnani. Now you see here, another thing is pointed out. That means, sometimes people say, oh, how jnani can forget that I am Brahma? So here there is a proof. Bhashyakar has said, it can happen during the prabal prarabdha at that time. And he gives example only of Shud Pipasa. So that is the minimum, common example for everybody. If there is something more which everybody faces, you will go through such things. So if somebody feels that, no, if somebody has forgotten, then that person is not Brahmajnani. That Lakshana you will not be able to put anywhere there. This is the proof for that also. इदानीम आत्मज्ञानस्य अविधेयत्व ख्यापनार्थम वस्तु स्वभावालोचनया नित्य प्राप्तिम इदानीम now so that he will say later that there is atma which is pakshika prapta. Here he says atma jnanasya avidheyatva. There is no vidhi in atma jnanam. Avidheyatva khyapanaartham vastu swabhava alochanaya, by thinking or dwelling on the nature of atma. What is that? 11 number tippani. Nitya aparokshatma swarupa vicharanaya. By this vastu swabhava alochanaya nitya praptim. Atma is nitya prapta. Atma tu satatam prapta. Yat sakshad bhashya. Yat sakshad aparokshad brahma. In that 4 number tippani, you see, sakshat means vritti vyavadhanam antarena eva. Right? Vritti vyavadhanam antarena means if, like ghata jnanam requires ghatakar vritti. Right? Atma, even without Brahmakar vritti, is known. This is Sakshat. For any other thing, vritti vyavadhanam is there. Vritti is must for that Vishaya. In case of Atma, without vritti also I know Atma. For Ajnana Nivritti, you need Brahmakar vritti. So, Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. Then, Katama Atma iti. Katama Atma. Janak Maharaj is asking Yajnavalkya ji in Swayam Jyotir Brahmana that of these Aditya is Jyoti, Chandrama is Jyoti, Vak is Jyoti, Agni is Jyoti, Vak is Jyoti. Which one is Atma? So answer is given, Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu Ridyantar Jyoti Purusha. That is the next quotation given. Yoyam Vijnanamaya. Iti evam adya atma pratipadana parabhihi shrutibihi atma vishayam vijnanam utpaditam. By all these shrutis which are atma pratipadana para, atma vishayam vijnanam is revealed. So now atma is nitya prapta because it is aparoksha and it is my own swarupa, it is not somewhere else, etc. This nature of Atma is known in two ways. I'll just give you in brief. One is when somebody does Swadhyayo Adhyatavya Vidhi. Means when they study Veda, they will have Samanya Jnanam of Atma through Swadhyayo Adhyatavya. Every Vakya in Veda you should read, you should study. This is an injunction. Second is Vishesha when he will do Guru Upasatti for Moksha. That is more in depth. So Samanya Jnanam you will already have in the beginning itself when you study Veda. Because along with Veda, Upanishad also he is going to have Shabda Jnana. So by these Shrutis, Atma Vishayam Vijnanam Utpaditam. Okay, up to this we'll keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.